Ka Kunhun Seng King Atiar ka Hnlc National Liberation Council lani ka belajukot kum ka Hnlc ka bala Thrang bha bani kar Iasuk bat ka Sorkar India bat kum juru bat ka Sorkar Jilla Meghalaya kalajan boy sya ka thong. Ye kene lapan sngau do ba Sadon bla amri Presiden jong ka Seng HNYF ha ka jingi kendu bat ke lat pathai ku bor ha Shillong Press Club ye ka bala thung ye hukum muksiang jong ka Seng Hnlc. Uba Sadon bla amri Presiden jong ka Seng HNYF ulapan sngau ba jing thmu jong ka Seng King Atiar banwan sya ka jingi suk ha ki lai tili ki parti ki bakan thup mi ka Sorkar India ka Sorkar Jilla Meghalaya bat ka Seng Hnlc lengba ka safe passage ye ka bala depan penkre mentah. Haka jingi kan Iasuk ka Seng King Atiar Hnlc kalong bakin la banyaj laj luj habarok ko geri India bat hapo ka Jilla Meghalaya ru kumju klaim dadon ka jingte kendon. Nak banta bani kan Iasuk hapadeng ka Hnlc bat ka Sorkar Jilla bat kumju ru ye ka Sorkar India labu laki jongki siang itu uba Sadon bla. Kadbak Hnlc kelatung budget ye uba Sadon bla amri Presiden jong ka Seng HNYF kumuk siang ban mi nak banta jongki. Haka jing itu uba Sadon bla ulong bag jinglong jongu kumuk siang ya ke Hnlc kalalong ke besei so bha haka bag ladon ke jing yalang peliu jingmut labon pon sin. Nakaliang jong Sorkar Jelapat kalatung ya uba PS Dekar IAS banlong kumuk siang nakaliang jong Sorkar. Bat ke Sorkar ru kala no senyang bha haka baide bat kenek benta pensko uba Sadon bla. Uni unong ilam jong Seng HNYF ulai itu pajba bak benta ke bakongsan jong jinglong siang jong u kadai na benta jong kilai parti. Kipakan thup ya ke Sorkar Jilla Meghalaya, ke Sorkar India, bat ke Seng Hnlc, bansya laj luj bakiniat kiniang kam tam kinong yalam. Shushu uti unong yalam jong ke Seng HNYF ulai itu benakaliang jong ke Hnlc, kala menjur ya ke jinglong siang bansya ya kidikot ban rung ban mi, wat bansa ha Jilla Meghalaya.
The purpose of this press conference is to divulge something about the peace process peace process with regard to the coming of the Hnlc and joining the mainstream. So, since the last 3 months, in the last 3 months since the Hnlc has appointed me as the representative of the Hnlc to have discussion with the state government and the central government and the state appointed interlocutors, namely Shri Pitalkar. So we had a 3 round of meeting, that is the representative, the executive members of the Hnlc, at the level of foreign secretary and political secretary, and in that 3 rounds of meeting, the state-appointed interlocutor, namely Shri Pitalkar, also was presented in all the 3 rounds of discussion. Myself also, I was presented, and finally, up to till date, the development, to sum up in short, is that there has been an agreement from the central government, the state government, and the Hnlc, specifically with regard to the safe passage. The safe passage, in the sense that leaders of the Hnlc who are to be engaged in the talk for the peace process can come and go, or maybe they can stay in, station themselves within the territory of India, Meghalaya, and that is the meaning of the safe passage, and the rest will follow only after the safe passage is granted, and as it is granted, and I hope in the next few days or week, the leaders of the Hnlc will be joining the discussion regarding the issues concerning the agendas of peace process. Of the safe passage is that to enable the Hnlc to come and have a direct discussion with the authorities, be it of the state or the central government. So that is the intention of the safe passage, and it will speed up the process also if the leaders of the Hnlc are able to join the discussion and whatever negotiation that they have to do across the table with the central government and the state government. That is the intention. Yeah, the Hnlc is a banned militant organization. We all know that since the year 2000 it has been banned. And the question of ceasefire is not the appropriate topic to be discussed now, because now the purpose of this press conference is basically on to divulge things like that. Okay, the central and the state government has granted safe passage to leader of the HNLC, and if the ceasefire has to happen, it will happen only after the leader of the HNLC has been able or put forward their point of view in front of the state and central government.